Quick video. I'm going to run trust audit on my own content. I have pulled 20 of my LinkedIn posts in last 8 weeks in one file. If you can see, majorly I have put up everything post 7, post 9, post 10. And in this newsletter, which I have recently published about demand generation, we have one prompt here for audit. Let's go back to this 5-minute trust agnostic. Let's take the prompt. So it's basically on a separate link because it was a big one. Okay, it's already open. So I have hosted this prompt as an agent on Brev, which basically has enabled me to also share with you all my agentic prompts and everything, but also let me help you if you want to run it on your context and get my feedback personally one-on-one. So if you are here, you on in this page, you can also run it for your own audit, or you can also download it from here, the entire prompt. So I'll copy it and let's go back to plot cowork. Normally I use this. So I have already given it an access to the LinkedIn post content folder. So let me write run the run the following prompt on LinkedIn post content. I also write ask me ask me any clarifying questions if you have. So what happens is it will go through, so it would go through all the content pieces one by one. And if we look at the prompt here, it would go through it one by one and then score it, give me a table that, okay, what is my content, what is the lever, what is the trust stage, and what's the confidence, and give me the entire percentage across my different trust stages, which is recognition, credibility, uh, risk reduction, and commitment. So far, I have seen, including me, it's always not uniform, and that is where the buyer who is already out there looking for certain solution, he would know about you, he would trust you, but at the end, he would not be able to make a purchase decision because somehow there are some questions which are always unanswered. So it enables that. Okay. Meanwhile, it is running. I have already done this audit once. So we can look at the responses. So if you can see, I have given the same thing, run the following prompt on LinkedIn post content. It has done the audit, credibility, commitment, credibility, and it has given me the analysis like only post in the set that makes the next step feel safer than waiting, specific offer. Credibility. Oh, recognition is 0, credibility is 15. So it's 90, 0, 90, 5, 5. See, the main problem here is I'm not focused on risk reduction and I'm not focused on building the top of the funnel, that is recognition. That is where my entire consulting is being cost, is being impact. And it has also given me a suggestion that I should write about I ran the trust architecture audit on this content stack. Here's what we found. So it basically it's a risk reduction content. What it's asking me to do is focusing more on the risk reduction content. And what it's also showing me is I need to focus on recognition content. So this is how this entire framework of stages, if I show you, it actually enables me to get more and more meetings from the people who are qualified, people who are in my target segment, and enables me to enable them to take them to a purchase decision, not just chasing them. Because when I build recognition, when I build credibility, when I build risk reduction and commitment, that's where people would take a decision. You also try running this prompt. I would suggest run it on Dread so that I would also share with you my feedback one on one. But in either case, I would be looking forward to hear your feedback. See you.